Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are doing Minecraft. It's like this type of Minecraft. Okay, creative and flat. So I'm just gonna show you how to build my house. I have a pretend life. I don't want to build that house though. I want to build my real I want to build my real house. Okay, so what you're gonna need is bricks and some stone slabs. Oh, not stone, brick, stone. I don't know what I'm talking about today. I'm just really tired, I guess. So we have this platform at the front of our house. Well, it looks like a platform, definitely. Gonna put some bomb. I'll just need to place more stones. But yeah, actually we do have it's kind of like little stairs. Yep. It's just little stairs. This is where the bricks come in. So that's just my nana singing in the background, if you can hear that. I think she's a beautiful singer. If you don't, go beep yourself. I'm just joking. Okay, now let's just get my door.
Callie, don't look.
Okay. I'm doing a video here if you don't mind.
Oh, sorry, Bob. I have to get ready in a minute.
Yeah. I know. I'm not a dumb person. Don't you dare say I am. You are.
I'm an English teacher.
You forget your keys. Yes, you do. You're like, where are my keys? Where's my card? Where's my credit card? That's definitely you. Where is my credit card? Where is my credit card, girl?
It out and hasn't put it back.
I don't take it out. It's not like I have a bond with it. So far it's getting on good. I know what you like. Don't fart in the video.
Interesting background sound.
Yeah.
Sound effect.
Little sound effect.
I've come up with my own unique sound effects. You won't hear them in any other video.
Yeah, but they are disgusting, you must admit. Yeah, they are.
Interesting.
Why would people think farts are interesting?
Different. Everyone's different.
Yeah, but that doesn't make farts interesting. Sorry guys, because we're talking about farts and all that. We're exactly like FGTV, we love farts. We love potty jokes. Every time we listen to them.
Tights bigger. Big fat people. We're not all skinny.
I know, but maybe some people are watching and they don't want to listen to that. They don't want to listen to you getting tights on.
Oh, who cares?
That's exactly what I say. Are you stealing my phrase? Okay. Again, people don't want to listen to you getting tights on, or tops on, or skirts, doesn't matter. Don't matter. Just don't want to listen to it. Maybe all the snuggles, like I always say. Yeah, you are eating a lot of food lately.
She
is, guys. Every time I see her,
outrageous.
she's like, woohoo, McDonald's! Yeah, I love it as well, but
It's bloody outrageous.
just every time she screams out, yay, McDonald's!
Oh, bloody outrageous, lad. Laddie. Right.
You're not
Where's
Scottish.
your black cardigan?
I don't know.
Where's my black lacy thing?
I told you, I don't know.
I haven't got time for all this.
I don't know where it is.
I know, but I'm. Oh, there's one.
Yeah, does it matter if it's the one, or does it,
No, but I just.
as long as it's a cardigan?
Can't be bothered.
No, I don't want smart managers on.
Right, Callie, you need to get dressed up.
Okay.
Like, pretty urgently. Make sure you put everything in your bag. It needs to go in your bag.
And guys, this doesn't look really like my house because it's not properly bricks. It's like bricks, but not. It's like stony bricks. Bricks with stones on. You know what, Nana?
What?
Because you're so unorganised, I can't hear myself think.
Right, well, you need to get ready.
Okay, I'll pause the video till then. then. So I'll pause I'll end the video then I'll make a part 2 of building my house.
Dressed and then we'll get everything put in your bags.
Okay. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the first part of this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!